on, guys? How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing awesome. Today's video is going to be about nails. I would go to my nail tech, let's say once a month, and I would get my gel nails done. Hi, Helen. I really miss you. Not only is Helen my nail tech, but she's also my psychiatrist. So I really miss her. All the nail shops are considered non-essential because of COVID-19. That every 3 weeks I'd go for a fill, and then because my 3 weeks was missed, all of a sudden my nails started lifting. And the worst thing you want to do when you have on any kind of gel or acrylic nails or any kind of faux nails on is to let them grow out, because once they grow out, then water can get underneath, and if water gets trapped under there, you run the risk of having fungus. And I was not about that. And mine were all lifting because it had been more than 3 weeks. I took my time and I took them off. Like, I cut them down short, buffed them down, then pried them off with like an old card that I had. And when I pried them off, oh my gosh, it was like, my nails are pretty damaged, but I am used to having nails on, right? So they're pretty damaged. I'm like, oh, you know, I'm working from home. It doesn't matter if my nails look like crap. It's not the do-all end-all. I couldn't stand it. I was in Walmart. I was walking from the produce section to the international food section, and I walked over to the cosmetic section, and usually there'd be people there, but there was nobody in the cosmetic section. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna show you what the nails looked like, and I'm gonna come home, put them on, and then I'll come back and tell you what my thoughts are. Stay tuned. The package I bought was the Broadway French. There's 24 nails in here, so I could do my nails twice. The items that I needed, I used a pumice stone for cuticles, my cuticle nippers, nail clip to trim down your nails because you don't want any nails hanging over. And then you have to file your nails down as well. And I also used alcohol because you need alcohol. Your nails have natural oil on them. And if there's oil or dust, then the nails wouldn't adhere. Here goes. I'm going to show you what came in the package and move on and do my nails. First hand done, I was like, absolutely not, I can't function with these nails. I'd done my right hand first, so I cut them down. beyond impressed right now. My nails lasted me for 17 days, guys. I'm not even joking, 17 days. And I have enough in the package, can do my nails again. None of them fell off. As I said, the reason why I think none of them fell off is because I made sure I prepped them properly, file them down, buff your nails down lightly, and use the alcohol so that the glue could adhere. I also, the instructions also said you should put the glue in the base of the nail, but I did the opposite. I put the glue on my nail bed and in the base, and I think that helped as well. More than ever, I really do believe that it's because I had my nails cut down very short. Here we are. I did a couple of boo-boos, like for instance, this one here was definitely too wide. I tried to file it down at the sides. I didn't file it down enough, but you have to be like super duper close. Like if you're looking at your nails like from a distance, they're fine. But when you're up close and personal, some of them, like on my thumb, there's bubbles, but I got over that. And as I said, these ones are kind of wide. This is how they're looking after 17 days. I'm really impressed by this Broadway Fast French nails. They lasted me for 17 days. I'm like so shocked that they lasted so long. It took me quite a while. It took me a good 30 minutes to do them. I'm not even gonna lie, because I typically don't do my nails. But all in all, for what I paid for them, which was like $6 could do my nails twice. And typically I'm spending $35 to my fill. That's a lot of savings right there. They have started to grow it a little bit, but it's fine. I mean, if one or two pop off, I won't be mad. I won't be mad at it. You know, it's fine. If one or two pop off, instead of like taking the glue and gluing the ones that popped off again, I'll just remove everything and do another set. The video that I tried to do doing this set, it didn't turn out great because the lighting wasn't good and I wasn't patient. I'm like, I need to get this done. The angles were off and everything. My nails at home is definitely something I would attempt again. I've been on Amazon. They have so much variety. On Walmart's website, there's so much variety. I would definitely do it again. It was more than worth the money. Under $5, and my nails have been on for 17 days. I'm really impressed. Comment down below and let me know if you guys do your own nails. If so, what brand you use, some of your nail tips and things like that. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.